welcome to another adventure of Mr. Captain Bubbles. I'm your host, Mr. Captain Bubbles. Say hi, Squirt. Now, have any of you ever wondered how to properly dispose of trash like that? Looks like it's going to throw up all over itself.
Ew.
Yeah? Well, sure. You going to come to the right place. Squirt and I are going to show you how it's done. The first step you got to do is protect your noses. Now, the way we do it is we go on and put on our masks. Now, Squirt's got his. Okay, Squirt, hold on. It smells, trash smells. Don't he look so pretty?
Yay!
Now, go ahead and put mine on. We got to do this in 2 stages. Now, the first stage is taking the excess off the top. Now, once you've done taking off the top, rabbit ears and pull out. Just like that. Go ahead and put this on the side. Stage 2, pulling out the original bag. Lifty lifty, just like that. It sure does smell bad. I know, that's why we have masks. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and pull with all your might. Pull it up just like that. That sure is heavy. Now go ahead and lay it on the ground. And go ahead and do a loop-de-loop rabbit ear pull, just like this, and close. That is how you take out a trash bag. Well, that about wraps it up here for today. We want to thank you for stopping by and joining us on this here cleaning adventure. Maybe I should put my mask back on. And like I always say, a clean space is a happy place.